5 ways you can grow your Instagram account. Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. We are back with an exciting video. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified about our upcoming amazing videos. Nearly a decade ago, Instagram came into our lives as an amazing photo app. It slowly took over many social apps with its numerous colors and filters. At first, a perception was built that it was only for modes and fashion-related people. Instagram's perception was changed so quickly, and people from different careers started using it, such as entrepreneurs, fashion, doctors, public speakers, and many others. Today, everyone needs an Instagram account for something. We're going to share 5 ways to grow your Instagram account. Number 1. Research. Research is a very important element while starting something. Before setting up an Instagram account, research the particular type of account you are about to enter. Research about your competitors, how they are using the call to action, what type of content they are posting, and what type of content is mostly liked by people. Research about the keywords that are to be used as hashtags. Number 2. Bio and profile. Almost every new person who is visiting your account will be reading your bio and checking your profile. According to Instagram experts, people are deeply convinced to follow an account if they like the bio and profile. People won't follow you if your profile is incomplete or not attractive. Use 150 characters in bio to define the clear objective of your page and brand message, if any, and why people should follow your account. Number 3. High quality content. Posting anything you want? Stop doing that. Choosing the right kind of content is a very critical point to think about. Post something with bright colors and a clearly appealing message. The quality of content will make people explore your account and spend more time on your account. High quality content will ensue increasing likes, comments, and views on your account. People love to share the content they love, and it brings more new followers. Write appealing captions in your posts that force people to spend more time on your account. Put the most important words at the start of the caption. Ask questions, make it engaging, and try to use emoji in your captions too. Number 4. Consistency. When did you post last time? Last week or last month? Well, to grow your Instagram account, you have to stay connected with the app 24/7, and you have to post daily. According to Instagram experts, people who post daily are more likely to get more followers quickly. People will see you posting every day, and a time will come when they will become regular likes, comments, and views. More followers mean more growth consistency. Remember, just stick to it. Number 5. Promote. Last strategy but not least. Instagram allows you to promote your feed post. You have to attach your credit card or PayPal account to your Instagram account. It makes you select an audience you are going to target for the promotion, or Instagram provides you an automatically generated audience. Promoting your post will boost the engagements of your account, and more people will be able to see your posts every day. When a great post is promoted, it can get you a good number of followers. Use your Instagram insights to check the most popular post and then promote it right away. Now that you know the most important strategies for growing your Instagram, apply these simple strategies and start using Instagram like professionals. If you liked today's video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to tell us about your feedback in the comments. This is your host signing off. Stay tuned for the next exciting video.